Welcome back to Ultimate Luxury Cars. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the Toyota BZ4X is Toyota's first mass-produced, fully electric vehicle, EV, marking the launch of the company's Beyond Zero sub-brand. It represents Toyota's transition into the battery electric vehicle market and its long-term commitment to carbon neutrality. Built on a dedicated EV platform co-developed with Subaru, the BZ4X emphasizes efficiency, performance, and sustainability. It is offered in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, powered by lithium-ion batteries. Driving range varies by model, with some versions capable of over 500 kilometers on a full charge. The BZ4X supports fast charging and includes features like regenerative braking and various energy management systems to enhance real-world efficiency. It also comes equipped with Toyota's latest safety and driver assistance technologies. The Toyota BZ4X features a futuristic and aerodynamic design that blends the presence of an SUV with the sleekness of an electric vehicle. Key exterior elements include a sharp, grille-less front end with slim LED headlights and a clean surface where traditional grilles are replaced by sensor panels. Floating roof line gives the vehicle a dynamic, coupe-like silhouette. Black wheel arch cladding emphasizes its SUV character and adds a rugged look. Short overhangs, long wheelbase enhances stability, handling, and cabin space. 19/20-inch alloy wheels, available in various trims, designed to reduce drag. Panoramic sunroof, optional, adds openness and natural light to the cabin. The interior of the BZ4X is designed for spaciousness, comfort, and modern simplicity, with a strong focus on technology and driver visibility. Wide, low dashboard increases forward visibility and gives the cabin an open feel. 7-inch digital instrument display, positioned above the steering wheel for reduced eye movement. Large central touchscreen, ranges from 8 to 12.3 inches, offering navigation, media, and air functions with smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Steer-by-wire, in some versions, optional yoke-style steering in certain markets, replacing the traditional wheel with an electronic system for a more precise feel. Soft-touch materials, eco-friendly upholstery options and high-quality finishes throughout the cabin. Heated ventilated seats, available for front and rear, depending on trim level. Flat floor, enabled by the dedicated EV platform, enhancing rear legroom. Generous cargo space, around 452 liters, depending on trim. Expandable with rear seats folded. The Toyota BZ4X is priced starting around $37,000 to $45,000, depending on the market, trim level, and drivetrain, FWD or AWD. In some regions, pricing may vary due to taxes, EV incentives, and import duties. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.